Will it stick? Here we have a side table, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick the top on. Our double-sided tape is here on the wall. Comment below if it will stick or not. So I'm going to go ahead and place this flat right on the tape here, and we're going to see if this tape will hold this table, which is pretty good weight here. So you can go ahead, pop it on. Okay. There it is. Sticking like a champ. Sticking good too. Just search carpet tile tape on Amazon. It's double-sided, extreme strength, easy to install, residue-free, moisture-resistant, and commercial grade. You get a 2-inch by 90-foot roll, which will do a heck of a lot of carpet tiles for install. And you can just search it on Amazon, look for the orange label. Really sticky stuff. It held up this table right here. And look at that, it's still sticking.